Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are passionate about data science, machine learning, or just curious about how to turn data into insights, you're in the right place. Today, I am starting a new series focused on MATLAB and machine learning, particularly the classification learner. But first, we need to get our hands on some data to work with. Remember to set up a Kaggle account first. For this first video, I'll be guiding you through the steps on how to download a dataset from Kaggle. If you're unfamiliar with Kaggle, it's a fantastic platform for data science competitions and data sets. They have an immense collection of data sets for every imaginable scenario, so there's definitely something for everyone. First things first, you'll need to create a Kaggle account if you haven't already. It's completely free and opens up a whole world of data sets. Let's get started. I'll be using a simple data set for this tutorial, but the same steps will apply to any data set you choose. First, let's navigate to kaggle.com. Now, make sure you are on the datasets page on website. Use the search bar to find a dataset that interests you. For this example, I'll type in malicious phishing URL. Okay, let's click on the dataset we want. Here, you'll find an overview of the dataset, along with essential details like its description, how to use it, and what columns it contains. To download the dataset, look for the download button, usually located on the right side. Go ahead and click that. The data usually comes in a CSV file or a zip format. And that's it. The data set should now be downloaded to your computer. Let's make sure you are aware of where it went. Make sure to note the location of the downloaded file. I recommend creating a dedicated folder for all the data sets you'll be working on so you can easily locate them when you need them in the future. Now we have our data set ready. In the next video, we'll dive into MATLAB and explore how to import this data into the MATLAB. But for now, let's recap the steps we just went through. Create your Kaggle account. Use the search bar to find the dataset you want. Click the download button. Save your datasets. If you enjoyed this video or if you're excited about learning MATLAB and machine learning with me, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to keep up with the next steps, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.